If you are trading crypto and you are looking for to level up your trading setup, this video is just for you. Imagine your indicator is giving you the sell signals, giving you the stop loss, giving you the take profit levels. This is so good to be true, I know. So here is the sell signal. Let's zoom out. We can see that here is the buy signal. Here is the take profit. Here is the take profit, and boom. You can see this indicator is now just designed and set it up to trade crypto, and especially the Bitcoin USD. Let's start adding buy indicators one by one. So you want to go to indicators tab and you will search for Flux Charts. And what I want you to add is the SPX algo, the MTF supply and demand zone, and price action toolkit. By the way, if you don't have the Flux Charts yet, I am giving you the coupon code best ever on the internet. Use Borsa20 to get the 20% discount immediately. So let's continue. Click all of them to add to your chart. And after you add to your chart, you will see something like this. Obviously, you will not get the same signals. This is, by the way, real-time data, and we will be trading on the 5-minute time frame. Let's look at the chart, right? It's quite simple to use, by the way. We got the sell signal here, and it ended up with break-even trade. It didn't go anywhere, so we stopped out here on the break-even, and we got the buy signal. We got the buy signal here again, the first TP, the second TP, the third TP, boom, boom, boom. And we got the sell, and we got stopped out at the break-even again, and we got the buy signal, boom, 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 3 TP levels. You got my point. We are on the Bitcoin 5-minute chart, and always you need to understand one thing. What price is doing, and it's quite simple. It's not complicated thing. All you need to do is just use your scroll and just zoom out and see the bigger picture, what the market is doing, right? So we are basically on the bullish trend here. What we are waiting for is to pull back or any reversal that we can take benefit of. But you can see that the price already tried to come up a couple of times, but it didn't succeed. But this time we will confirm it. But keep in mind that we will keep the losses small, but the wins will be big to cover all the losses and they make you money enough to save you from 9-to-5 job. So let's zoom in here again, and we can see that we got the order block here. And now I will continue to roll the market. We got the sell signal here, right? So this is our first confirmation. Our second confirmation will be this cloud over here, and we can see that we got the bearish order block. We got the bearish fair value gap. These are the tools that we're gonna use every time before we go into position, because the signal itself, it doesn't enough. You need to get at least one of these confirmations, whether it's a fair value gap like this, it's called FVG, it's OB, order block, or the breaker block. So if you get one of those, you are good to go. I just took the position, and you can see that we already got our take profit levels, and you will just drag your take profit here. It's a $6,000 trade, and for the stop loss you can either use this or you can use this cloud over here, which Fluxchart SPX is giving you. I'm gonna show you in this setting very soon. So you can use the middle way of this to be on the safe side, and now we are good to go. I want to take partial on the way when the price hit the TP levels over here by the time. So we are in the profit now, and as you can see that we just received the first TP from the Fluxchart. Alright, as you can see that we just hit the second take profit level, and now we are heading over to the third, and you can see that we just smash all the take profit level. So our profit is $11,000 with this simple strategy. So here is another example. You got the buy signal here, and you got the fair value gap, which is bullish one, it's green, and you got the order block. So you got bunch of confirmation, including the change of character. So all you need is execute the long position and put your take profit to the take profit levels and just relax. Now I know you guys wondering which settings we can get these beautiful signals. Don't worry, now let's go to the settings for the SPX algo, and I have enabled the AI sensitivity optimizer. My current sensitivity is 12 if you need, and the trend length is medium term, and the trading style is day trader. And what I use is the take profit levels over here. That's basically everything you need. Just copy it. And now we will go for the MTF supply and demand zone. It's the default settings. You can just copy and paste it to your chart. And the final one is the price action toolkit. This is where things get funny, because we have used the fair value gaps. You need to check this. We have used the order blocks. You need to check this. You can enable breaker blocks if you want to add one more layer to your confirmations. You can use the inversion fair value gaps. These are all included in the one toolkit, which is breathtaking. Their price action toolkit indicator is the one of the best in the market now. So other than that, you want to enable daily, weekly, monthly, and the pre-market levels so you can use as a target. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.